Start by selecting your music that best suits the project you're working on. Continue by importing your audio into your project on Premiere. Next, start to listen to your audio and find what section you want to be cut. Once you find the section you don't want, begin to cut the music using the razor tool or by selecting C on your keyboard. This will allow you to cut the beginning and end of the audio you don't want. Then select that area and cut it. From there, connect your two parts of audio by either dragging or selecting the empty space and cutting it. You should begin listening to the first part of your audio, trying to find the beat that is consistent throughout the song. You can select the M on your keyboard to mark where your beats are so you don't forget. Once you find your steady beat in the first track, begin matching it up with the second track. A tip is to bring your second track of audio and place below your first track of audio and finding where the beats match up. Once you find a steady flow between the cuts, watch over your video and make sure it sounds like no cuts were added.